Hey guys and girls, I'm using my phone today. A little bit of a log, I suppose. I know I keep doing one of these things every other day now. It's getting a bit ridiculous. Even though I've only done two so far, this is the third one. Got some awesome things from the scrap. You remember how I was looking for a new regulator for this compressor and wheels? There's this little piss-arse thing here, it doesn't work very well. Not the best. Okay, it does relieve pressure, but it does it so slowly. You know, I need to paint this thing, it's starting to go rusty. It's been wheeled out the garage a few times. But yeah, I need to get things sorted out. I did find a nice little pressure regulator here at the scrapyard. I've marked arrows on it as to which way the direction goes. Sadly the threads are stripped in that one, inside there, which is a bit of a shame really. This side is okay though. So I've taken the plug out from this side and screwed it in that side as far down as I can get it, and it appears to have made a seal. I don't know until I get some things in that and try and push it in to see. Time will tell, I guess. I've got bags of them somewhere, but yeah, that's the one from out of it. It was buried in the mud a bit, but it'll clean up that one and I can reuse that. The other one was it ended up on the floor somewhere. It was smashed up, looked like the forklift had ran it over or something. Oh, yeah, really crunched that push fit up. Lovely. Shame, because these things are getting pretty difficult to get hold of. Not many supplies in Derby here where I can get them from. Yeah, I tried to screw a pressure gauge into it instead, but it's not the right fitting. I think it's metric, that one, and not British standard pipe thread. Then I come across this regulator here, which, as you can see, it looks like it's never been used. The threads, ooh, if I can get my camera right. As you can see, it looks like it's never been used. If the focus would decide to randomly work, come on focus, wakey wakey. Fluorescent tubes, it absolutely hates fluorescent tubes. Come on focus. Whatever. Anyway, you can see this one's already got the arrows on it pointing which way it's supposed to go, which is quite nice. I've got it mounted backwards, which is a bit of a shame. This thing doesn't clip. Pull that off and you can pull it out, the bits out. Somehow. Yeah, they do. This bit here does slide out and then you can pull the things out. But yeah, it works ever so well. That's quite nice, that. 11 bar rated, this one. And that one's got a maximum of 7 bar. Yeah. That's a regulator and that's a ball valve. You can see inside there, if I turn this, you should be able to see the ball valve moving around. There you go. Real nice, that one. Nice ball valve setup on it, which is quite good really. The creme de la creme of the crop was this guy here. Now, doesn't look like much, but you notice that says number 3. Just so happens I've got 1 and 2 as well. And check out these. Wow. Well, I did say I wanted a pressure regulator for it, and this guy I think's got it. It's one hell of a pressure regulator. It's got to be industrial, surely. It's just so big. Don't know how much use it's had. Got no idea. I know it works. I've tested it, and it does work, which is quite nice. Now, myself, I'm pretty happy with that. It's a shame I lost. Well, I didn't lose it. At the scrapyard, one of these was missing. One of the bottom cup things. These do them just like on a bayonet fitting. You just turn it a bit and pull it, and it comes undone. As you can see, one of those sadly was missing, so I only managed to get number 1 and 2. 3, yeah, number 3 had the bit there because it was all together, but like I say, the bit was missing. Now I can't push this back up again with one hand. There we go. I have done. This one's the most nice one. This one here. So that one's just a filter, number 2 is. But number 1's the regulator and moisture trap. Lovely. Bit of corrosion in the bottom there, but I'm not too fussed about that. This one was actually the filter. This one was, and I had to swap them over because the threads are slightly worn on this plastic nut. So I thought, yeah, I'd rather have the worn threads on the low pressure one, rather than on the straight from out the tank, which is what this one will be pressurized to. This one should be pressurized to I don't know, 8.8 bar, whatever the switch, well 8 bar should I say, whatever the pressure switch trips off at, which is quite nice. Good stuff. Like I say, it would have been nice if I could have got that on there, but I think it would have been too big. I mean, that is massively overrated. Oops, I'm getting my old t-shirt dragged along. Let's put it over here and bring it onto this thing. There's a battery charger on top of it at the moment. There shouldn't be, but there is one. As you can see, it's pretty big. It means I'll be able to get rid of that one down there, that little moisture trap, which is only small. It's designed to be in line on air tools, that one is, not designed for this kind of work. And as you can see, it is one monster. Looks good though. Don't know if the pressure gauge works, it's the only thing I didn't test. So I'm hoping it works, but I didn't test that. We will see. Yeah, fitting the air conditioning unit in the house, I need one of these guys, but it's got to be a what size was it again? 162mm, I do believe. This one looks to be 110. Focus, damn you. Yeah, it does tell you on there somewhere. 110, look, yeah. Good stuff. Oh, and I got this really nice tester here. Really nice tester. I really like this tester, I really do. Doesn't look like much, I know, but it is. It's pretty good. It measures your temperature and things. So if I point it at the burner, point it at that that's the magnetron. All sorts of degrees. There we go. The burner's about 70 odd degrees. So the fire's only just died in it. But if I was pointed at that microwave oven transformer inside there, that would still be hot enough to ignite oil, that should. You can't believe that thing is that hot. That's incredible, isn't it? What about in the ash pan? The ash pan's quite cool, look. That microwave oven transformer is quite hot still. It's quite a good thing really, because that thing, you can very naughtily start the fire by pouring a tiny little bit of oil on it. You know, a drip of oil on there. And if you have oil dripping on that microwave oven transformer, it keeps igniting it. Really good. Obviously you've got to build it up with wood first. But it burns so clean. There's absolutely no smoke whatsoever that comes off the thing when you're burning it. It's dead good. Wood or oil, it's a really clean burner. I think it being blast, you know, with the fan being blasting on it. What temperature's the fan? The fan is 18 degrees. What temperature is the windings on the fan? 20 odd degrees, 30 degrees ish. Probe's actually really accurate. What temperature is my camera? Should I say my phone? No, my phone is 25 degrees. Oh, I shouldn't do that, that's naughty. Don't want to break the lens on my phone camera. No, that's not bright enough to damage the lens. The batteries are going flat in it anyway. They're the original batteries, so they're really flat. I'm surprised it actually picked the dot up, because visually to me, I could barely see that laser pointer dot. It must be half infrared or something. But whatever. Anyway, I think I'm going to go in now. My squeaky computer, which it is squeaky. You listen to that. It squeaks. No idea how well that comes out, but it does. I've got videos of I'm playing more of my industrial music. I really like my industrial stuff, it's good stuff. Alright guys and girls, I think that's about it for today. These are the only things I picked up from the scrapyard, nothing major. Got a couple of goodies from high voltage rules. That's high 1 voltage rules. A couple of locking motors. Oh, I found that at the scrapyard too. Looks like a push fit for a quick release push fit. No idea if it is or is not. Could be hydraulic, but oh no, it is a push fit. Just shows how much I use these things. I very rarely use these things. I'd love to fit one to this actually. I'd love to actually get a bigger tank for this. That tank lasts not very long if you're using an air tool on it. If I get myself something like a 47 kilogram bottle, get one of those that's been decommissioned, I'll use one of those. That'd be nice. Trouble is, I'll have to widen my trolley. Because it's I've already tried one on that before, and it doesn't fit on. It's too it's too narrow. Unless I build a platform up, build it above the wheels, and then do it. Yeah, well, it's good enough for what it is at the moment. It's only held down with 2 zip ties, and it's working good. Yeah, the wheels are courtesy of a pushchair. Works well. Works really well. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go. I'll catch you all later. Peace out!